Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I will be making this video to show you guys how you can easily create NFT and sell your NFT for good profit. Okay, if you can see my screen right now, you can see this is OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the biggest, in short, is the biggest NFT market presently now, because a whole lot of creators actually list their work on OpenSea, and they make a whole lot of money, and also they have a whole lot of patronage. So most creators actually list their work there to make a good profit. So as you can see presently on the screen, these are some NFTs that are on sale, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can also create NFT like this for free. Okay, for absolutely free. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can create this kind of NFTs and you're going to make money. You can also sell this NFT on Binance. Good enough, Binance also have an NFT market that you're going to show that you're going to sell your NFT there. Okay, so I wouldn't want to make this video to be long, so I'm going to take you straight to how you can create this NFT. You can see all those things here. This guy is going to make a whole lot of money from this. As you can see, this present one here is selling it for 4.995 Ethereum. Okay, he's selling this for 5 Ethereum. He's selling this for 5.1 Ethereum, and these are a whole lot of big money. So I'm going to show you how you also you're going to create this kind of NFT and you're going to sell them. Okay, get them listed and sell. So we'll go straight to Canva, because I'll be using Canva to show you how to create this NFT. So let's go straight to Canva. When you get to Canva, this is the interface of Canva. If you've not signed up on Canva, you just go straight to canva.com and then you sign up on Canva, because we'll be using Canva for this tutorial. Okay, so I've signed into my Canva account already. So what I'll do is this, I'll just go to background, and before that, let me even show you some NFT actually created on Canva. Okay, so I'll go here and I'll show you. You can see these are some NFTs. Okay, it is one particular kind of NFT, but I kind of use different kind of body structure for the NFTs. As you can see, I created all this. If you see what I created here, is even far better than what you have here on OpenSea. And you can create, you can also see that this is just body and with the head and all those things, and his background is not even very beautiful. I'm going to show you how you can do very beautiful background, okay, and come up with those things. So like I already told you, you can see this is my own NFT on Canva. You can see the beautiful background. You can see this particular one. I know this NFT, I listed this in one of the NFT sites where I do sell my NFT. I listed it 2 days ago, which is on the 5th of May 2022. I actually listed this there, and I have seen a lot of click on it already, so I know very soon they are going to buy it. You can see those beautiful background. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. You can see this beautiful one. That is what I'm going to be showing you today, how to create this NFT and get them sold. Okay, so this is Canva. First and foremost, what you do after logging into Canva, you go to background. Okay, no, first and foremost, let's go to let's go to home, because I'm going to assume that you just log into your Canva, and you actually need the step-by-step on how to get to where you start creating your NFT. So we just will go back to home first, then where it says create design here, we're going to click on create design. So we're going to let me just use customize. So you come down here, you click on customize, because we're going to use 500 by 500. That is the most recommended size for NFT products. Okay, so we're going to click on customize here. So we're going to put 500 here, then by 500 also, 500 by 500. I'm going to click on create new design. So I will also recommend you to, I will actually advise you to use 500 by 500, because most of those platforms, they actually encourage creators using 500 by 500, because that actually fits in easily into the program. Okay, so after the program must have loaded, what we'll now do is this: we'll come to this side. If you follow my mouse, you see you come down here and you click on background, because now what we're going to do is this: we're going to choose very beautiful background that we'll be using for our NFT. Okay, so we're going to come here and we're going to click on background. Okay, we're going to click on background. Then you're going to see different kind of beautiful backgrounds. You see, you're going to see different kind of beautiful background, and all those things you can get it done on Canva very easily. So I'm going to choose this first background. I'm going to choose this first background. Yeah, I'm going to choose this first background. Okay, well, let's just open up other open multiple pages. Let's open multiple pages. So we're going to choose different background for each of those pages. Okay, so this, we're going to choose another page. We're going to go down also. We're going to choose another different page. You just look around, you're going to see beautiful pages that you know will be very, very good for NFT. Okay, I think this page will be very good also, so we're going to choose this page as well. If you look at those background that we are selecting, look at those background compared to what you actually have here, you see that even our background are far better than what they have here. So that gives us the assurance that definitely we're going to sell our NFT. Okay, because if you look at the background here, is quite unique. Okay, this our background, they are quite unique. They are not just like this normal colored background. Okay, so what we'll do next is this. Let's go to pictures. Okay, we're going to go to pictures, then we're going to select. You could use okay, let's do something just like this guys here, like this pussycat, this funny head, something like this. Okay, let's use this kind of avatar. You can see different kind of avatar, pussycat head. You can decide to use dog head. You can decide to use any kind of animal head. Okay, so we'll come here and we're going to choose cat. Let's say cat. Let's say cat head. Okay, like I rightly told you, you can use whatever you want to use. Okay, but in this case, let's just choose cat head. Let's choose cat head. You can see different kind of cat head here that you can use. You can use those cat head, but I want something like that we can use. Let's say something that we can use like avatar. Okay, let's see if we can get something like avatar. You can see something like this. You can see that's exactly what these guys use here. Okay, so we're going to be using avatar. Okay, let's choose graphics. Okay, so these are some of the things the guys actually use there. So we're going to choose something like this. Okay, we're going to choose something like this. We're going to come down. We're going to choose other avatar. You can just scroll down and choose whatever you want, but I'm just going to choose like 2-3 avatars. I'm going to choose this. Okay, I'm going to scroll down again. I'm going to choose another one for the third. I'm going to choose another one for here. So I'm going to scroll down. I just need something very unique and kind of peculiar. Okay, so we're going to choose another avatar. Let's scroll down and look for something very unique. Let's look for something very unique. Can decide to use this. No, I want something more unique. Okay, yes, we can use this. Okay, so we're going to start the design now. I'm going to start the design. I'm going to take this up. I'm going to take this up. I'm going to start the design this way. You can see this very one. This one looks so beautiful. I'm very, very sure this kind of avatar can sell easily. This kind of NFT can sell easily. So after creating this, now what we need to do next is to look for human body. Let's type on human body here. Human body. We're going to look for human body. Okay. Okay, let's just say body. Let's just say body. And I'll just put human body so that it will not be giving us skeleton. Yeah. Okay, better still, let's just say man. Let's just say man. So you can see something like this. You can see those beautiful avatars we have here now. Okay, so we can now decide to choose from these avatars we have here. You just need to look for something very unique. You can decide to choose this. You can decide to choose this, and then open up this, open it up, make it a little bigger. So now let's try and cut. Let's try and cut off the head of this avatar. Let's crop this so that we'll remove the head. We'll be left with the neck. Okay, so we'll come down here. Then we're going to click on done. So you see now we are left with the body without the neck. Okay, just follow this design. You're going to see that creating NFT is very, very easy and simple. So we're going to bring back the pussy head. Then we're going to click on it, take it back, bring it forward. Okay, so you can see. So we're going to bring this one down so that it will look kind of unique. You can see. Now look at this particular avatar and compare it to what we have here. Compare it to what we have here. Okay, you can see that my avatar is far better than what we have here actually. Okay, now we're going to make we are not done with the design actually. I'm just trying to show you something. We're going to make another one here. I'm going to make sure we create this thing in such a way that it will sell out. Okay, guys are making money from NFT, and I want to encourage you to stick with this video. Watch it to the end so that you understand how to actually create this thing. Let's crop this particular one also. So we're going to bring it down to the head here. Okay, I'm going to crop it. So we're going to crop it this way and pull it up. And we're going to pull it up. We're going to bring in the head now and put in there. Then just right click on it, then you bring it forward. Okay, so you can see, bring it forward this way. Yeah, so you can see this avatar now. You can see that this thing is not taking shape with the beautiful background and all that. So on this one now, let's try and put something unique on the eyes. I'm going to put something unique on the eyes. So we're going to click on eyes. We're going to click on eyes. We're going to get funny eyes that we're going to use to make this thing look more realistic. Okay, we have different kind of eyes here. So let's choose this. Let's choose this. Let's choose this. So you can see this unique avatar here now, right? You can see. Then we can decide to leave this because this one is kind of animated and the eyes actually turns, so it's okay that way. Let's choose an eye for this. Let's choose an eye for this as well. Let's choose an eye for this. Okay, then we're going to choose body for this. We're going to choose body for this. So you can see that creating your avatar, creating your NFT is not that difficult if you know how to go about it. Okay, so for this we're going to put this particular avatar here. Okay, we're going to put this particular avatar here. Let's bring this forward. Right click and you click on send backward. No, no. Okay, let's edit this first and remove the head so that we'll get the picture very, very clearly. Okay, so we're going to crop this just for us to remove the head. It's better you do it that way to remove the head so that you get a better shape of what you're actually doing. Okay, so we're going to click it this way, right? After removing the head, we're going to bring it forward and we're going to bring the head of the avatar here and put the eyes. So you can see we now have a beautiful NFT here. Now we can also decide to even automate the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to animate this eye now, and you're going to see what is going on. Just click on this animate here, right? You click on this animate here and you see the eyes can just be blinking. Okay, so you can see we now have an eye that is blinking on this particular NFT. Okay, so you can see just within within few minutes we already have 3 NFTs. We already have 3 NFTs here that we can sell for a whole lot of bucks. Let me quickly show you something. You can see this particular one. You might not even decide to put your own on a very high price like this 5.188 that Gutacat is being sold for. Okay, let's put 5.188 Ethereum. Let's go to CoinMarketCap calculator. So you come to CoinMarketCap. Let's say let's look at the price again. It's 5.1. Okay, so we're going to put 5.1. So 5.1 NFT converted to United States dollars, you can see over 9,000 United States dollars is what it's charging. Okay, to sell just this cat NFT. Okay, you don't even need, you can even decide to do your own and just say you want to sell it for $30. You want to sell it for $50. Imagine you can sell this avatar, this NFT, $30, $50, $100, $200. When you have this, a whole lot of this listed on those sites, you can imagine how much you can make. And the design is not ended there. You can decide to do a whole lot of things with this design. You can decide to put other additional stuff here, okay, from this graphic side of it on it. You can decide to put tests. Okay, you can decide to put text, you can decide to put a whole lot of style on this and make it very beautiful. Okay, but the truth of the matter is this: you will agree with me that looking at this NFT that I've just created within minutes here compared to this particular NFTs you have here, you will agree with me that mine is even more beautiful than this. Okay, you can see all those body, you can decide to even change the body color here, like this body color. Now you can decide to change the color. Okay, you can decide to change the color. You can make it more transparent. Okay, you can decide to do anything you want to do. You just play around with it. Okay, you can play around with it. You can change the colors, change different kind of things about this over here. Okay, so I believe you got value from this particular video. Okay, so just go ahead and learn how to create avatar. Okay, and it won't take you time to create it. So I want to believe that you got value from this video. Just like this video and also subscribe to this video. I'll be making another video to show you how you can easily get your NFT sold on Binance Exchange. So I want you to like this video and subscribe to the video so that the next video I'll be posting is to show you how to get your NFT sold on the Binance platform. Guys are making money from Binance selling NFT. So I want you to subscribe to the channel and get notification when I drop that video. Okay, I'm going to show you how much I've made from NFT on Binance on that particular video also. Okay, so after creating your NFT like this, the next thing you just need to do is to click on it, and then you're going to click on download. You're going to click on download. Okay, you're going to click on download. You choose PNG. Can choose PNG and you get it downloaded. Okay, you have to make sure that this thing is on PNG. Okay, it has to be on PNG because you cannot put though you can sell a video as NFT, but in this particular case of what we are doing here, you have to download it on PNG. Okay, you download it on PNG and you get it listed on OpenSea or Binance or any of all those other NFT platform, and you get your product sold. Okay, so thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.